Mama, it's your chance to do a surprise egg. You ready to open your surprise eggs? Open your surprise eggs and see what's inside. Ooh, what's that, Mama? Candy egg. Ooh. Another candy egg, huh? Ooh, okay. Pick another one. What's in there? Candy eggs? You must love candy eggs. Pick another one. What color is that one? That's orange. What's that? SpongeBob Krabby Patty. What's in that one? Candy. Some more candy. Who's that in the bowl with the surprise eggs? What's that thing in the bowl? What's the name of that toy? No, the toy. What's that toy in the bowl? What's the name? No, the name of the toy. The lamb over there. You don't know? That's orange. I'm talking about this. What's the name of this thing?
Lamy.
Lamy? Where Lamy from?
At store.
You got it from the store? Candy?
No candy.
What's in there?
Candy.
What kind of candy is it?
More candy.
Do you like candy?
Yes. The more buns.
Ooh, eat one. Is it good? Taste it. Taste the SpongeBob candy. Is that stuff good? Taste it. Mmm. Let me see Lamy. That's Lamy? Candy! Do you like surprise eggs?
Yes.
Let me hear you scream it. Alright. Supposed to say, I like surprise eggs.
I like the buses.
Yeah.